Good afternoon, students. As a continuation of last day's class, today we are going to study the calculation of time, how we are calculating the time in more scientific and accurate way. So, before starting to study the calculation of the time, first we should have a knowledge about the longitudes. The longitudes that can be seen on the map and on the globe, we can see a vertical line connecting the North Pole and South Poles. And this line is known as longitude. It is an imaginary line that connect the North Pole and South Pole, and it is semicircle or half circle. Longitude is otherwise known as also known as meridians. See the picture. Red line that connecting the North Pole and South Pole. 0 degree longitudes. We call this longitude as prime meridian. This 0 degree longitude divide the earth into two hemispheres, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Like the equator divide the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, like the longitude divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And this 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. There are 180 longitude towards the west and 180 longitudes towards the east. 180 longitude towards the west and 180 longitude towards the east. And the total number of longitude is 360 longitudes are there. 180 plus 180, 360 longitudes are there. The earth take 24 hours to complete a rotation. So that is the time required to complete a 360-degree rotation is 24 hours. We will get 360 longitude if we draw one longitude each for each degree of angular distance. So the total number of longitude will be 360 and 180 towards the east and 180 towards the west. And 0 degree longitude that divide the earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. See the prime meridian, 0 degree longitude. This 0 degree longitude is also known as Greenwich meridian, prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. How it acquired this name? Because this line passes through the Royal British Observatory and through which this line passes. So this line is known as Greenwich meridian. The Greenwich is the place and where the Royal British Observatory is situated. So this line is also known as Greenwich meridian. The time is calculated worldwide basis on this Greenwich meridian. Hence, this line is also known as prime meridian. This Greenwich meridian. Why this Greenwich meridian is also known as prime meridian? Because it is the basis for calculating the time on the earth surface. On the entire worldwide, This line, this prime meridian, is used as the basis for calculating the time. The local time at the prime meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. We call it as, in short, we call it as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. That is, the local time on the prime meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time. Based on the Greenwich Mean Time, the world is divided into 24 zones. That is, based on the Greenwich Mean Time or the Greenwich Meridian, the world is divided into 24 time zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. That is 24 time zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. See, the 0 degree longitude, then after 15, 30, 45, likewise the meridian is divided, and see on the bottom 1 2 3 4 5 it is given, that is to cover from Greenwich meridian to cover 15 degree longitude, the time required is 1 hour. So like that, 24 time zones are calculated on the basis of Greenwich meridian. Okay, this is about the longitude. These are the basic no, things to be noted about the longitudes. So what are the things to be features of the longitude? Longitudes are imaginary line connecting the North Pole and South Pole. They are half circle. Longitude is also known as meridians. Two longitudes are parallel to each other. 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. There are 180 longitude towards the west and towards the east, and the total number of longitude is 360. And and uh, and what we studied, that is, a 0 degree longitude is also known as Greenwich meridian. Why it is known as Greenwich meridian? Because this line passes through the Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated, and time is calculated on the basis of this Greenwich line. So it is known as the prime meridian, and the local time at the prime meridian is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. And on the worldwide, from the based on the Greenwich meridian, the world is divided into 24 time zones with a time difference of 1 hour. These are known as time zones. Okay, these are the features of the longitudes. Okay.